Viewers, farmers, aspiring farmers, welcome to today's video. Today we are trying to find a way to do goat farming at a minimal capital investment. So first you can see the structure in the video's background. Simple, easy to maintain, and very cheap to construct. But you can also see the quality of the goats. For instance, you can look at the white girls. See, they are pure white. That shows how they have taken care of the goats. Second, we do this on a free range, meaning we have a minimal demand for land for which we will do farming. This means that it's cheap compared to zero. So thirdly, which is an advantage from the breed itself, Sigara, which is highly resistant to diseases and also hardy. This reduces the running costs as you do not need to treat the goat frequently. Only follow the vaccine schedule and you'll be good to go. So thank you guys. That's all for today. Ciao.